Dr. Wisniewski again. Just wanted to give a quick update. We just shut down a little bit early. The remainder of the tropical storm is coming through. Pretty windy out here right now. Some branches down in the back of the new lot. They're gone for the day, but we got our precast concrete manholes and drains dropped off. Looks like they got the foundation area all filled with compacted stone. Saw them running around with a compactor earlier today. Looks like they'll probably be getting in here, getting ready to do the forms pretty quickly for the footing anyways. And then they'll be pouring the foundation walls, maybe even towards the end of this week.